Video I'll be showing a small little tour of the room that I stayed at for EDC 2018 in Las Vegas. So let's get to it. So first, as you come in through the door, you lift this up and that secures the door more. Okay, so you have this light switch. Alright, and then on your left hand side, as you come in, you have your restroom. You can turn on the light. It also turns on the fan at the same time. You have your sink. Have your shower on the right hand side with the sliding door. Shuts it. That's the shower. Hair dryer. Turn that off. Yeah, this mirror here. It's a small little table. Small little stool on the bottom. These are two queens. Go ahead and put the exact name of the room on the description, so that way if you're interested in getting this exact room, you know which one to get. But so yeah, there's two queens. I had a friend of mine, he was staying on this one and I was sleeping on that one. I have your cabinets. This hotel has like an Egyptian type of theme to it. That's why you see all this, and it's an actual pyramid, the hotel itself. You got your iron board, iron down there. A couple hangers. You have this little locking device. So that way, there we go, some light. That way you can store your valuables while you're out and about here in Vegas. You have your LCD screen with some basic cable channels or drawers. I didn't use them, but oh, and then over here you have this little you have this right here to hold your luggage. I have my luggage in my backpack. And I have your nightstand. Have the remote of the TV. The notepad, the phone, clock. The beds were actually very comfy compared to last year when I stayed at the Flamingo for EDC 2017. So they were pretty comfy. You have your small little desk over here if you're on a business trip and need to do any type of work, or has a chair. You can put your laptop and do whatever you got to do. Got your light there. You got your AC on this side. This thing is kind of broken, but pretty basic, easy to use. Then you have this table, two chairs, and a small little couch or sofa or whatever. And this is actually slanted because, like I said, this hotel is an actual pyramid. So if you look up Luxor Hotel and Casino, you'll see pictures and you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, the window is actually slanted. It's pretty cool. If you want to close this up, you just slide it left and right. I have it open right now. And my view isn't that great because I'm on the 3rd floor. So it's kind of like whatever. I was mostly here just to sleep because EDC, it goes on during the night. But I think this building right here, same thing for that. I think it's part of all the Luxor as well, where they have the performances by Chris Angel and other shows. Over there, you can see the Excalibur, which has like a castle theme to it. You see it over there. But yeah, this is the room. You know, like I said, the view wasn't that great. It's all good though. Yeah, this is the windows slanted. You see, pretty cool. But yeah, let me give a little turnaround of the room. My beds were comfy. So yeah, like I said, I'll post a link of the exact name of the room. So that way if you're interested in staying here. And like I said, I came here for EDC. Let me try to... This is the bracelet that you gotta wear. Which is a electronic music festival that happens on the Motor Speedway. It's a 3-day event. But yeah, this is the room I stayed at. Alright guys, have a good one.